Hey, I just wanted to walk you through something real quickly that will help you to build your reputation as well as improve the conversion rates when people come to your website. So if you sign into Qwantify, app.qwantify.co, and go to reputation, there's a new feature in here called video testimonials. And if you click that, you'll be able to go create a testimonial collector and then display those testimonials on your website. And these are video testimonials. So I'll create a new collector just so that you can see how the process works. So I click the button here, and then there's, you need to give it a title. So you'd love to hear from you. You can see whatever's here. You'll get a little preview over on the side, and there's a mobile and desktop previews. And so you could choose your, let's see, it's a picture of myself. So you can put a picture of yourself there, or you can put your business's logo. You can change the contact info, contact email. You can update any of this text that shows up anywhere here. So your feedback helps us to grow and inspires others to join our journey. No download needed. I prefer no download needed. But yeah, you customize it, get a preview, go to the questions page. I just want one question. Tell us about your experience working with Qwantify. First sentence case. And then as you can see, here's the preview. And then it gives some instructions. Pick a quiet, well-lit spot, hold the camera at eye level, relax and be yourself. And then they can just hit record, or they can upload a video if they prefer to record it separately. But they don't have to install an app. They don't have to do anything. Even if they're on desktop, they just hit record and it turns on the camera. So you prompt them with the question, format it in a way that they'll understand exactly what they should talk about. You may want to say, how did you hear about us? Or something like that. If you sell products, it could be what product did you purchase? Something like that. You can create multiple questions, and then attribution page. So just asking your contact info, we need your info to know who responded. You can gather that information. Thank you page. All done. Then you can customize the color scheme. So our color scheme might be more light blue. And so all of the buttons throughout the experience will have this light blue to them. Or maybe it's, kind of an orange color. So it'll be on brand. It'll match your brand's color scheme. And you can change all of it. You can modify the background color of the whole page. You can do all kinds of stuff. And then you can put your logo here. When you're ready, you can name it. When you're ready, you save it. And then when you go back, okay, you've got a new collector. This is the newest one. I made it on April 28th. And you can view it. You can go back in and modify it. You can copy the link and send it out to people. And then when responses start coming in, you'll start to see those appear here. And then as you get responses collecting, then you'll be able to come in and build a widget. So you would actually be able to say, I want a widget for my videos. And I want it to come from my video testimonials. and I don't have any in here right now, but they would appear as a grid underneath this, or a carousel or a list or a slider. And you can embed those right in your website. If you don't want these other things appearing, you can say, you know, I don't want the header, and it'll get rid of that. If you don't want the title, you can get rid of the title, and then it's just the videos. And you could have those right in your homepage. You could have a collector just for a certain product that you sell or a service that you provide, or for your entire brand on your homepage, and embed those wherever you want to. You can come in here. I'll turn these on just so you can see how it looks. So you can change the typeface that the widget uses. You can go with a different color scheme. You can edit all the colors, and then you can copy the code and go embed it right in any web page on your site. So that's a cool way to collect testimonials and then display those testimonials in a really compelling way. So you can put text testimonials widget on your website as well. But a lot of people struggle to trust in those now because they could be filtered. You're choosing all of your favorite ones. They're, you know, maybe you made them up. It's a lot harder to go get people to record a video and provide it to you. And so it's very believable. It's very trustworthy. And if you can show a lot of video testimonials on your website, that's a very compelling asset that you can use to persuade people to work with you. So I hope that's helpful. If you have a question about implementation or you want any assistance with that, reach out and let us know. We'll be happy to help.